Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to record your meetings on the Zoom application or the Zoom web client. So first you will need to open your Zoom software or desktop client and sign in with your account. If you don't already have one, only just sign up with the Google account or the Facebook, or you can also sign up in the traditional way by adding your personal information like email, password, username, etc. etc. After that, you will need to start your meetings. So the first thing that you will see is the home page after you are opening the application, and you will just click on the new meeting. So we will start meeting. Here we will wait to the application to host the meeting, and as you can see we have now the meeting that is started. Now we will see here all the action that we can add or do for our meetings. So now here you can see like the record action. So you will basically just click on it. And if you had your window that is minimized, you will just click on this more and you will find record on this computer. So let's just uh, do like that and we will click on record. Now you can add the options to your record. Either you can record with audio or without audio. So I will just continue without audio. And now I have my recording. I have my meeting that is being recorded now. So now you can pause and stop the recording, or you can stop it once. After that, you will just stop your recording, and as you can see, the recording will be converted until we end the meeting. So we end the meetings, and here we will, as you can see, and this is our meetings now. Or you can just go to the meeting tab and you will find all the recorded meetings and you can play them or open them. So, and then you can edit them or do whatever you want. So basically, this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.